Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. We are picking up where we left off in the middle of the M2 Suicide 1 map pack by Butch Massoni on the level Mount Fort Bocce. I suspect that much like in the last two levels, we will not do too well because it's a small space with nothing but rocket bots. Do very well at this with human players because I don't have that disadvantage relative to everyone else in the room, but this will be much harder, I think. Of course, it's also compounded by the fact that, unlike most of the other times I played on these suicide maps, it was with like one or two other players. This time it's full house. How the fuck? We went right through it. How does it not work? Every kill I almost get is just stolen. I did get a little bit better at it towards the end, but let's see what about the level Suicide Arena. Yeah, it's not very promising. Level title. Didn't mean to do that either. Need to stay out. I was trying to do like a run turn where I wouldn't fall in. It's hard not to, it seems. Oh, what's that place up top? Oh, I see. So one of these has a teleporter in it. Well, let's see which one teleports you in up to the top. See, not that one. Is this like a part of one of these? I don't know how I got in before. Whatever, I see what it is up top. I'm just trying to find out where I'm supposed to go. Might be like a corner. Basically just trying to find out what it is at this point. I'm seriously getting pissed at this fucking map pack. Whatever, I'll find out later. Next up is what the fuck. Oh yeah, I thought so. I was just remembering how that one often quits, but I think we more or less saw what that one's about. So that's it for today. Let's see what we have next in store for us. So next time on Marathon Arena Adventures. We will go through, looks like another Draenal's Mapmakers Club pack. Let's see how many we have in that one. 4. Looks like yet again 2 of those are duplicates, and interestingly enough looks like the level 3 is skipped in here, which probably means that it's like a secret level or some weird shit like that. Maybe if I load it up in a Wayland I'll see what it is about. Come to think of it, I wonder if I missed something like that in a previous map pack. Guess I'll look in the previous installment. Yeah, same thing there. That's a little weird. Maybe I'll have a look at it. But until then, thanks for watching. Bye.